And if you just look here, it says Jack and Jones is a proud member of a Better Cotton initiative, and many brands I've seen, they're already working on that organic cotton they are growing and they are using. And we have seen Adidas sneakers being made out of recycled material, so this is a good initiative. Talking of the care label, it says all the guide is available. A pretty wide jersey, if I say, for this size that I have in Jack and Jones. Decent wear for formal wear as well as a casual. And this one is the other coloration that I have. This one I have in double XL. I have this in XL and double XL, and this one is white, cream white here. The other one that I had was light bluish shade in that white, and flowing down with these fade colors. This one is with the blue black, and this is how it looks like. It actually looks exactly like the one in the picture. It has no difference. I feel I really have a very good product in my hand. I really recommend this, and it's not a very priced product. It's not as pricey as Nike, and not to talk of the premium brands like Tommy Hilfiger or Calvin Klein, and top of those like Lacoste or Giorgio Armani. No, it's nothing like that. They are very decently priced, and they are, I believe, giving very competitive prices with excellent products, durable and beautiful.